Hello guys, welcome to new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw grand cash slots. This app that is amazing for casino if you like this kind of games. So first you have to account verification. So completing the know your customer KYC identity check by providing photo ID and proof address. This is important, guys. If you wanna withdraw the money in any casino for Filipinas, you need to have this and comprovate your verification. So meeting the requirements, ensure any bonus warranting requirements are met before attempting to cash out. So first you fee ensure about it. Then you have to select the method. Navigate to the cashier section and choosing the withdrawal method like e-wallet, PayPal, bank transfer, or debit card. With this, you can start using it without any problem, guys. So that's how you can withdraw the money. As you can see, are three steps and three methods to it. Is first you have to verify the verification, meeting the requirements, and then only select the methods. That's how you can start withdraw the money on cash slots. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.